Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta soy sauce. This incredibly simple and delicious dish comes together in just a few minutes, perfect for a quick meal. You'll need only a handful of common ingredients, making it an accessible recipe for anyone. We'll start by gathering everything, ensuring a smooth cooking process from start to finish. Let's get cooking. First, get your pasta cooking in a pot of salted boiling water. Aim for that perfect al dente texture, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta is bubbling away, grab a separate pan and melt about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add your finely minced garlic and sauté it gently for about 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, but not browned. Now, let's create the heart of our sauce. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of your favorite soy sauce with 1 tablespoon of mirin, which adds a touch of sweetness and depth. Next, stir in about 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the sugar has completely dissolved. This simple blend forms the savory, umami-rich base for our delicious pasta dish. Once your pasta is perfectly cooked, drain it, but remember to save about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. Now, add the drained pasta directly into the pan with the fragrant garlic butter. Pour in your prepared soy sauce mixture and toss everything together until the pasta is evenly coated. If the sauce seems a little thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or fresh green onions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.